come here.
Kilum ki waru bangan thom Kiriat bajrong ru bangan ye lingba Ringkat bat pi bangan yo don lang Bayi pila bat pechi 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 Alele wanum lechi 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 Jaka ki bajai bajan jaran un pa Shaki jaka bakanja Subhadu levi suki 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 Skuila dapi duki 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 Manu kita baben manu kita bakren Badalele pinom la
Hello guys,
hello everyone. Kumno Filong, Paralog, welcome back. Yeah, tell them something. So we welcome today. We'll tell them about the video. Yeah.
Welcome to the channel Gabs Gabi React. So today we are going to react on the song called DUKHI. I want to ask you one thing. Is DUKHI sad?
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 In Nepali it means sad? Okay. They have word in Nepali called DUKHI which means sad.
Sad.
So sad in Arabic also we call it Zalan.
Jalan.
Zalan.
Jalan in
Not za.
Jalan here in India it's like jealousy like that.
No. We say zalan, not ja. Za. Za for zebra. Zalan. So this zalan in Arabic means someone who is mad or sad, okay? So DUKHI in Nepali mean also sad. So tell us what does it mean? We don't know if you guys in Khasi, do you guys share maybe some similarities there, right? So we are going to check it out by our favorite artist of all the time, that is WANBHAA and Frenzy, guys. You know Frenzy, we reacted to Frenzy before song was with WANBHAA, Padu. Did you react with me that time? Padu? No. Oh, Padu. We reacted to Frenzy. He has one amazing song with WANBHAA also by the title Padu. So we are checking out official music video. There is no subtitle here, guys, but we don't care because we love Khasi song and we dedicated this channel only for the Northeast people, especially Meghalaya, guys. So let's enjoy, let's have fun. Whatever is you see something here that sound good, please just translate to us here and let's go. I know if you didn't subscribe, stay tuned, guys, because soon we are coming Meghalaya. Subscribe this channel, stay tuned, and we'll post our vlog only in this channel. I have my vlogging channel, you can also subscribe to it, but we will come Meghalaya and show you everything here. Let's go.
Do subscribe to gabsgabitv.
Subscribe. Subi also have channel, guys. We put the channel link below, guys. Subscribe to our channel. When she will go Nepal, she will start making vlog, and she will also come Meghalaya because coming Meghalaya is so near, right?
Near.
Meghalaya and Nepal, they are so close,
yeah.
And Nepal and India, they are also good friends, so she don't need visa to come India, and you Indian, you don't need visa to go Nepal. So high
only
advantage.
Passport
High
and
advantage.
identity.
So let's start, guys. Don't waste time. Let's go. Amos Studio. That is Amos Studio. It's little hot here, guys. DUKHI. This is WANBHAA. You know him, right? This is Frenzy. Chill. This lady, I don't know this lady this time.
Khotlang yang ada pi don kam Khotlang yang ada pi kwan senran Na jia jia ruan ma rek nang Kilum ki waru bangan thom Kiriat bajrong ru bangan ye lingba Ringkat bat pi bangan yo don lang Bayi pila bat pechi 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 Alele wanum lechi 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 Jaka ki bajai bajan jaran un pa Shaki jaka bakanja Subhadu levi suki 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 Skuila dapi duki 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 Manu kita baben manu kita bakren Badalele pinom la Ailana ngayon sa Ngahaka donen mapi junon Ailana ngayon kta Nganakti mapi dakti lajong Karukum ya jumpi Karukum kren jumpi Pila banteng ki ya kijingut Kawan hanga kum kajing tut Kajing yang bro mapi Kaba fuji aji Bong ong hang amaru ishi men Nabaro ki tela job di mapi
Soba baik buat iya nga Wat nam berserai tang na jai na Maria pi nga iya cisha Pia mapi ngan biit tikna Opinum ya ubri wa it kembanga iya mga Lada pidam Khotlang yang nga hapor bakang Ding penkyang banyo dan tingan Penpra lada piyam Ngan nyat ki umat ngan penkmen ya pi bara sirta
Bayi pila ban pechi 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 Elili wanum lechi 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 Jaka ki bajai bajan jaran un pa Shaki jaka bakanja
Soba tu labi suki suki
jong en pau na ngayon lang an ute na pi na dong sha dong hap deng ka jing ya da pi don ba yi sha dien ngan non kan ran.
But this
Hey,
chair,
kupas ntiu ka
this chair we have in Nepal
How do
also.
you call it in Nepal?
In Nepal is muda.
In my village, you call it bambar.
You also have this one.
We have this, man. Everything you see is there in Africa. Those local things, you know, Africa should have.
We
it
have
like this.
same like this.
Yeah,
We say
tell
muda.
us, how do you call it, guys, in Khasi way, in Khasi language? How do you call it? And another thing, guys, you know, like I just love this thing here. Look, I feel like I'm watching Chris Brown music video, guys. You know why? Because this guy here music video is so interesting. Like in every scene, you will expect to watch something amazing. And that guy, Francie is really, they are all talented. And speaking of Francie, guys, the guy sound different. Like his sound is so good. Like sounds so dope, man. Let's continue.
rimi ngam kran mangan u bakhan tiana phi dereng nu ian phagali mun ngan kran dak tin phareng tang ba kan tin nu yaran ti dak tin la jong hi ba kham bang u ba kham pri ba kham jali ani wo gali ngum bit ka jong yam la kum ka show ba ding shudi ha po kheu ba I kum usun tau hak per ka leng sau dong ba mi pan jalan ti phinanga da gi jing u bi
Ka ba ko thi manga ken
ba I wat khuslai ka dun ba le pursuit hi manga hobi kha ka sing ka yen ser pu hi manga la da nu piang no pin dia hadin ben nu phinanga ki ne kan tin ba em jing mot ba ro ba ku hi manga haman ki second ki minute yo jinga na phi hak clinic manong ni te ni chik ani bong yo na din ni ba ji hit ka kam ba sa ta en yo hi na upun like sa bit sa kai de yan ta no dau shun
ba yi pi la ban pe chi elele wanum le chi shagi jaka ke ba jai ba jen jaran mon pha shagi jaka ba kan ja
so ba do le bi suki skuina da phi dukhi manu kita ba pen manu kita ba kren ba de le pinom la
Can't sing that.
ai la na ngayon sa ka haka donen ma pi junom ai la na ngayon ta nganak te ma pi dak te la jong
wow
I
gali
like the girl where come closer, I will tell you. Okay, that was Dukhi and Suki. We reacted to one music video. It was by the title Suki also, guys. But I forgot the meaning. I'm trying to guess it. Suki, Dukhi. Anyway, guys, it can't be sad. If you're
So
saying
it's happy, I guess.
Suki happy, but Dukhi cannot be sad. If it's about sadness, then this music video that does not indicate anything that is showing sad, right?
Last time I guess chithi means later it was right. What
Yeah.
if it's also right?
Yeah, let us know because
Maybe he's saying don't be dukhi, don't
Okay, don't be
don't
sad.
be sad
Maybe
like
don't
that.
be
Also,
sad,
it
right?
can make sense.
Yeah. You are right. Also, they will tell us. They'll tell us the meaning. It's so amazing. This is indoor music video. They shoot indoor, like
Inside the room.
inside with the
Green screen.
Yeah, green screen, and it is so nice. It is so nice, guys. I love everything. The music video actually just professionally. It look professionally. It is professionally. Forget of looking professionally. And you know, this WANBHAA guys nowadays is coming with things that is really great, guys. This guy I'm saying is really gonna have a bright future. Believe me, guys. Like this is my word to WANBHAA. Just know you're gonna make it. Whatever you dream about, it is about to happen. Is going on. I can see these guys watching such music video. This is like this is so. I'm saying like this is so impressive. This is really so great. If I'm a manager or producer or maybe oh my god! If I'm supposed to be signing musician, I would have signed WANBHAA with me, man. I will take you from our local music video. I will sign you to my music industry very soon, bro. You are doing so good, and I just came to know that I was thinking maybe this guy that music of there is first music we reacted to him that Doi Doi.
Doi.
I was thinking that music only was his one of the best music, but it's proving that he is the best. Whatever he can do, he will make it the best. And I'm witnessing this. Yeah. So that is it. This is all I can say. Tell them something.
This song will be nice to play in the parties. It will make people dance.
Exactly. That is hit song, guys. So thank you so much. And don't forget, subscribe, share this video, guys, and go watch our video where we are learning the Khasi language. Till next time, enjoy your suki
Bye.
suki wala
Who bless
duki
you?
duki
Bye.
duki. It's suki and you can say subi.
Subi, not
Duki
subi.
subi subi.